Today I'm trying the new hat. The name is gonna be somewhere here. I didn't buy this hat myself. Actually, my mother knew I needed a hat. She bought it for me. And I think it's amazing. I think it's great. It feels good. Feels like a farm guy. But that's great. It feels good. This right here, military area, what it means. Sardinia has one of the biggest military presence in Italy. That means that some very nice natural locations in Sardinia are forbidden to Sardinian people because of the military. So you have this amazing place. Look how beautiful this place right here is. But believe me, I'm not against the military at all. I haven't done the military service because my age was right in time for not doing it, so I didn't. And oh wow, here is beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. Wow, that's what I am. I have to give up on this. Look at that. Super slippery and steep. I'm not gonna get up there. I've been going through a few of these. There is one here and one on the back over there. I'm not gonna do them anymore. It's dangerous and I didn't expect this to be so tight and so stupid. I mean, look at that. It's super high. I mean, that looks like a like one of those things I don't know, how do you say? I might just as well enjoy the view from here. Because, you know, this one here, this road here is steep and I don't know if I can get there from here. And this one here is too. Gonna go back, I think. There's nothing to do here and I wanted to go to the other place, but I can't really. I knew there was no road. I knew the road was like this small. I knew it's kind of on the cliff. If I fall down. I knew it was hard, but I didn't know it was that stupid like that. Let's go back down to the beach, maybe try to have a conversation about something. I'm done here. The place is just right there, but you know, I'm not gonna do that thing. It's super steep and dangerous. Fail. I did two wrong things here. First, bring a camera to a military base. That's not a good thing. Then I forgot to put the right socks. So all the animals might get stuck on my feet, so that sucks. Let's get away from here. And yeah, that's what it is. Military base. It's everywhere here. We had here a couple of months ago a big, huge war game. Look at this. This is another big one that I've done. So I failed the mission to get there. But I enjoy my new hat. Honestly, it's a little weird with the wind that it goes up and down, but you know, who cares? Very sad I couldn't go on. I mean, I could have tried harder, but even halfway what I stopped was good enough. Yeah, I'm super hot today. Some of the hottest days of the year. I mean, I can do with hot weather. I love hot weather. The only reason why I enjoy life is hot weather. I don't care about sweating. I have more issues keeping warm in winter than cool in summers. And I'm always wondering what to upload on my channel. I shoot a lot of videos, I shoot so many videos every day, but I don't upload them because I don't want to ruin my channel. This is the place where I go when I want to find something inspiring, when I want to get inspired, when I want to feel the smell of the beach, something you don't find anywhere else. I mean, I lived in coastline cities. One of them was Miami Beach. The beach in Miami Beach doesn't smell like this beach. I don't know how to say, but the beach smells different in different places. Sardinian beach smells different. It's been more than 3 years since my last time I went to the beach. Like the beach on that side, like enjoying the beach. I think it was probably 2 years ago. The main reason why I didn't probably is because as soon as I started getting fat a little bit, I think I stopped going to the beach. I'm not super fat though. I lost a ton of weight in this past 6 months. A lot of weight. Probably the highest I got was 110 kilograms, and now I'm about 84, 85, which is still unacceptable. I should be a little bit less, maybe 80, maybe 75. But yeah, definitely when I was on the hundreds, I didn't enjoy showing my body too much, and I haven't been on the beach since then. That sucks. I need to go to the beach. Maybe one of the coming days I'm gonna go to the beach. Just gonna... I don't even have a swimsuit. How do you say? These things right here that we have on the beach are private locations for any kind of group of people. For example, there's the police, there's the fire department. They have the little spot here on the beach, which is private, and on the other side is full of nice houses. When I spoke about the weight earlier, I mean, I didn't want to offend anyone. Anybody can be happy and comfortable with their weight. I personally didn't feel comfortable with it, so I decided that it was not good anymore, and I literally changed the way I lived my life, basically, because I mean, I don't work out. I just eat a little bit different now. I don't eat like a lot of pasta and a lot of bread every day like I did before. I don't drink a lot of beer, and I do these long walks, sometimes under the sun, but it's not good. I do it in the evening as well. Eating a little bit less worked out for me, but you know, you don't have to worry about it. This is not fitness advice or nutrition advice. This is just my opinion. I felt bad and I decided to do something about it. I'm still big and need to figure out a few things, but I'm happy. I'm happier than a few months ago when I couldn't walk, I couldn't do shit. Terrible. Because of the music, but I'm enjoying the time here. I just had 2 beers, 2 small beers, not the big ones, but they were good enough to get the little buzz. Ooh, no way.